are green, oceans are blue. Keep the earth clean for me and you. Good evening, everyone. With these thought-provoking lines, I, Shivank, on behalf of GT Goenka Public School, Sector 10A, Gurugram, would like to introduce today's topic of panel discussion, that is, nurture the nature for future. We Goenkans of Class 3 are here to put forward our views on conservation of nature, its resources and its importance. When we speak about conserving nature, we are really talking about taking care of our future on this beautiful planet of the universe. Here, I really want to ask a question to everyone. Are you getting enough of support from nature? Surely not. Exploitation of natural resources is overlooking the importance of nature. As we go on for the luxurious, selfish and busy lives, it would definitely spoil the life-supportive environment in front of our eyes. We need to awake now and inculcate the habit of sustainable development. Yes, you are right. We are sadly detached from our mother nature, but now it has become the need of the hour to preserve nature for the human survival and existence of all living world. We often forget how much humans depend on nature. Even city dwellers living in modern skyscrapers need air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat, all of which are provided by nature only. What do you think, dear? That's very true. You can buy bottled water and ready-to-eat meals from supermarkets, but they were not produced here. Clean rivers, green forest, fresh air are the lifeline of living ecosystem. So, we all need to take care of these valuable resources. Yes, all basic needs of life are satisfied by natural resources. Since we still do not have the technology to manufacture water, grains, etc. in the laboratory, do we? No, it's next to impossible. The same applies to the air we breathe, which is purified and oxygenated by plants. So, when we speak about preserving nature, we are really talking about preserving ourselves. After listening to all of you, I would say that people are probably thinking that there is nothing wrong in it and they are not considering it as a serious matter. Here, I would like to inform all these people that if you are living in a big city far away from oxygen producing forests, fields, natural water springs, still your daily actions would have a strong impact on these natural resources. Hence, we need to control our habits of wasting and spoiling the natural resources. Let's begin with today's panel discussion with these eminent characters. Spurs as Mr. Plasto, Suprajit as Mr. Bio, Deepta as Miss Floyd, Weber wears Mr. Smoky, Piyush as Mr. Shady, and I as Mr. Arrow. This is to trigger an exchange of viewpoints and aware people about conservation of nature and use the natural resources judiciously to secure their future with healthy environment. Hello everyone, I am Mr. Plasto. It has become a trend these days that everybody is saying no to plastic. Can you people imagine your life without plastic? I am sorry, but it is not possible. It has its own importance during this crucial time too. The life supporting instruments like PPE kits, oxygen masks, injections, etc. are made up of plastic only and they can't be replaced with any other substance. What do you think, Mr. Bayo? Yes, you are right, Mr. Plasto. But I would say that excess use of plastic is destroying our environment. We should not enforce its use. It's very hazardous for our environment. So, we should minimize its use. Our government is conducting various programs to spread awareness among the society to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastic. These programs encourage people to say goodbye to single-use plastic so that we can gift a beautiful nature to our upcoming generations. As we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors but borrow it from our children. Hey, look at Mr. Shady and Mr. Smoky. Let us listen to them what they have to say. Hello my dear friends. Today I want to share my pain with all of you. Nowadays, big trees are cut on larger scale and people are busy in building up industry. How sad! What an irony it is. Trees which are life supporting are being cut, whereas industries which are life threatening are being built up. I can't bear it. I'm very important for human growth and upgradation. My role can't be denied in human prosperity. I'm proud to announce that I am the one who transformed the dull and poor human life of man to bright and luxurious life. They should be thankful towards me. What do you say, Miss Chloe? I am dying of negligence because of you and human ignorance. I have reached this stage. There was a time when I was considered as holy. But these days, people are throwing all the filth and garbage in me. Really, I'm losing all my quality and piousness. Very painful it is. My dear friends, I too agree to it that human greed is leading us to destruction. My condition is not different from you. I am too much polluted these days, and it's very annoying that people are wearing masks, but still they are not very aware of the dangers of the extreme pollution. I am choked because of this. I can't breathe and look at me. I am drying away. I would like to give them a message that they should never let their greed overcome along with green. They should be a part of solution and not be a part of pollution. As we all have put our views here on this wide platform, we all hope that human beings would get conscious of this and would take necessary steps to conserve the environment. Conserving nature means to protect, preserve, and restore biodiversity. We are lucky enough to live on one of the most diverse planets like Earth. Healthy biodiversity means fresh air, clean water, more productive soils, and greenery around. We all ultimately have a role to play in the conservation of our unique species and habitats. Small actions like recycle, reduce, reuse, segregating the garbage, planting native species in our gardens, and using natural resources judiciously can play a vital role in the preservation of our beautiful planet. On behalf of GD Goenka Public School, I above extend my heartiest thanks to all the very esteemed members of the school management and to our headmistress, Miss Nikita ma'am, who provided us this wide platform to reflect our views for a healthy discussion. I would also like to thank our coordinator ma'am and teachers for their constant guidance and motivation. I like to thank our wonderful parents for their kind support and cooperation. At last, I would like to speak about the special efforts put up by these young minds for this fruitful discussion. Thank you very much, my dear friends, Piyush, Shivang, Sparsh, Dipta, and Subrajit. Today, we got an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My gratitude to all the speakers who have graced the occasion and shared their opinions. Progress is not possible without sustainable development, and we all need to pledge to nurture the nature. At last, with this beautiful line, I would like to put an end to it. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Keep conserving and stay healthy. Thank you and have a blessed day ahead.